3 ravens. Look at this. 3 ravens are coming to eat the bird feed that I put out there. This is the first time the 3 ravens showed up, y'all. Oh my gosh. Like blue jays, doves, other little birds come, but this is the first time that the intelligent, magical ravens come through to eat the bird seeds that I put outside. Oh, I'm lost for words. I am lost for words, my loves. Oh my gosh. Look at them. Just watch them. Oh my gosh, look at them babies. Look at my babies. Wow. They are freaking huge. Wow. One of them was looking at me, turning his head to the side. Look. Wow. Ooh. Hello, you see? Look, hello. Kickatoo.